a great opportunity and actually quite a bit of fun to get to do this. One of the things that the senators seemed real concerned about was equal access to the secondary market for small lenders, and how do they preserve that and give us as lenders who are smaller in size the ability to compete with the larger lenders, especially in terms of pricing and taking away or limiting price discounts to larger lenders. And one point I brought up that I think is unique and needs to be considered is that it's not just the price of the mortgage, what the GSEs or any guarantor will pay for the loans, but also what the variances that they would allow, where they would allow a lender to maybe not underwrite a loan to the same level of detail or not require something such as title insurance. That was a common variance in our market that a lender had back before the crash.
So they're wrestling with how do we get Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac out of conservatorship, remove the tax liability to taxpayers in the case there's a housing market meltdown in the future, and they're wrestling with how to go about doing that. What we're concerned about is that they do it in a way that advantages the big banks and disadvantages all of us community lenders. So the hearing today was about hearing from community lenders and ensuring that we will continue to have access to the secondary market and have pricing of mortgage loans that we sell to them that will be on an equal basis with any of the big lenders. So it's really about ensuring that the government guarantee market supports small lenders.
I think it seems to me that after the 9 years since Fannie and Freddie have been in conservatorship, that there's more momentum today happening than there has been in quite a long time about what to do, how to fix the problem. The committee seemed to understand and that the status quo isn't acceptable. They need to do something. So it's crucially important that credit union voices need to be heard. We make up a growing percentage of the home finance market. We're helping more and more members with home ownership. So whether it's writing letters to their senators or their representatives in the House, whether it's using campaigns that their league or CUNA may have that help them with email communications with their offices, placing phone calls when the senator or your congressman's back in district, setting up appointments or visiting DC like I got to do today. I want to thank Senator Brown from Ohio, my senator, a constituent of his, for his leadership and support on the home ownership front in housing finance system reform. It's a huge issue for Wright-Patt Credit Union, for Ohioans, and for Americans about how they can continue to achieve the American dream, and his leadership's an important aspect of it, so we appreciate it.